Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art and I'll be making a dart glider in this video. I'll start off by folding my paper in half lengthways. Then pick an end and fold the corners in towards the middle. I'll then fold these in one more time. Make sure the outside edge is meeting that middle crease. You'll notice that the point's really sharp. To give it that distinct look, I'll just fold this over. Then I can work on the wings, so I'll fold this in half. Fold this down so the upper edge rests at the bottom edge, and then you can repeat that on the other side. Stack a few planes together and watch them fly in different directions. Have fun! Time to fly! Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!